I pray for peace and solace to their souls. Thank you.
डिजिटल का जमाना है, रिकॉर्डिंग भी वैसे होती है, स्नैप्स भी वैसे होते हैं, इसलिए फोटो देखकर बहुत बड़ा भूल हो जाती है। वाओ, क्या बात है! So many people have come for all amateur photographers here. So nice to see you. Yeah, alumnus 85, yeah, is on that side. Yeah. Everybody present in this, yeah. Please standing ovation, please, everybody. Yeah, great, great. Thank you. ये हमारे दिल में ऐसे ही इसी स्थान पर रहे, कभी भी बहुत ऊंचे स्थान पर इनको रखते हैं। यही इनका कर्जा है, इनका ये होता है। मेरे पास शब्द नहीं कहने के लिए। We owe so much to you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also here. We welcome them on the behalf of the Topo 1985. Please clap. Yeah, Mr. Gandhi, Registrar DNIT, and Mr. A.S.N. Deshmukh, the faculty at the Training and Placement Department present today. We pay Professor Rajhans, Professor Dikshit, Professor Parate, Professor Indapwar, Professor Rohankar, Professor Sarab, Professor Gijre, Professor Joshi, Professor Jhakiwar, Professor D.M. Mukhtar, Professor Joshi, and those who are deceased, please pay the homage by maintaining the silence for 2 minutes. Now, we were so fortunate to have the education in this esteemed institute. We were given the subsidized education. Do you remember what is the tuition fees you paid then? Yeah. Can you imagine, even you cannot afford lunch with that today? So it is all because somebody had paid for you. At least 1 lakh rupees were required then to take pains to see that you are a graduate engineer. Now it's around 20 lakhs or so. Government has taken the initiative to see that these regional engineering colleges, which are called NITs and the IITs, these are given the grants. Don't you think we owe something to our alma mater? ऐसा आपको लगता नहीं आप बहुत सस्ते में निकल गए यहाँ से? ऐसा लगता नहीं आपको? Please have a great feeling for your institute. Let me call your attention, everybody present, I'm an alumnus. These people have done wonders for you. You can do a little bit for your alma mater. May I request now Professor R. K. Ingle to say a few words on this occasion. Professor R. K. Ingle, please.
Thank you, Professor Vishnu, Dr. C.S. Murthy, Professor in charge for alumni function, Dr. P.M. Padole, our respected teachers, invited guests and friends. It is beyond doubt that the way we are standing here, its main foundation was laid in 1985 in BRC itself. Even 2 days ago, Dr. Keskar has mentioned some funds through alumni. So now it is my pleasure to talk on such sustainable project for BNIT from this batch. As discussed in one of the meeting, it was agreed upon to reserve 10% of funds collected for this reunion function 1985 towards alma mater. The organizing committee appeals to all the friends who could not participate in this celebration due to their personal reasons to contribute some amount for the sustainable development project for alma mater. Also, we appeal to all VRCians who are present here from 1985 batch. If they can contribute some more additional funds, it is welcome. We will be finalizing the contribution for sustainable project in couple of weeks time and request Honorable Director Sir to accept our small contribution for alma mater. I, on behalf of BRC 85 batch, I take this responsibility to oversee this particular activity. Thank you.
Alumnus 1985 BNIT, then BRC. Now, let's move further.
जैमर तो बंद कर दे।
जैमर क्यों नहीं?
हाँ जम इसको पास में करने का
नहीं अभी कोई नहीं आया ना।
जैसे
बंद कर दे पहले।
Now I would like to introduce the faculty from mechanical engineering, Dr. P.M. Padole, who looks after the alumni affairs of this institute. We ITians or BRCians, they have attained, so many people have attained great heights, and we had witnessed it day before yesterday. It was a huge gathering, at least 1,000 people have turned up. Whether it's Dinesh Keskar to so many people, they have done such a thing in their lives. We appreciate it. The hard work goes into networking those alumni, and can we do something good for the institute, for the society. It's a great job he's doing, Dr. P.M. Padole. He did his B Mechanical from 1982, once again we are the alumnus. 1984 he did his ME Design from Bombay University. He completed his doctorate in 1992 from the Nagpur University. He was professor and head during 2005 to 2008. His areas of interest include the mechanical design, the finite element methods, and the bioengineering. He has guided 8 PhD students until now, 30 MTech theses. He has published more than 100 papers in international and national journals and conferences. He has got 2 patents in his name. He has received the Best SIT Innovation Award for Khadi Village Industries Commission Project from Government of India, Ministry of Small and Medium Scale Industries. He is also interested in playing cricket, tennis, painting, etc. May I take this opportunity to invite the Dean who looks after the alumni affairs of this college, Dr. P.M. Padole, please.
Honorable Director, Professor Moge, 3 Ramesh Megrajani, Ramesh Daryapurkar, and Ramesh Chandhankar, the GS of 85 batch. My teachers, colleagues, all the alumni of 85 batch, their family members, students, friends,